Under qualitative salt analysis, we are now going to talk about cation analysis. We have done preliminary test and anion analysis. Now we are going to talk about cation analysis, identification of cation present in the unknown salt. The first thing I am going to discuss is group separation table. This is a list of all the cations. For the sake of convenience, we classify cations into different groups. There are 6 groups I am going to talk about. This classification is based on solubility products of their various salts. This is purely for the sake of convenience. We classify cations into various groups. So, I am going to draw the group separation table. Now, we are going to look at the group separation table. Group 1, the cations are Ag plus, Pb2 plus. Group reagent is dilute HCl, the precipitate is metal chloride precipitate. Actually, group 1 consists of those cations whose chlorides are insoluble, and there are 3 species whose chlorides are insoluble: AgCl, PbCl2 and mercurous chloride. We have already seen under solubility chart. So, because mercurous is not there in JEE syllabus, I am not mentioning. Of course, mercurous also belongs to group 1. Group 2. Here we have copper, mercuric and Bi3 plus, bismuth. The reagent is mixture of dilute HCl and H2S. These metals form metal sulfide precipitate. Group 3. Under group 3 we have ferric, Al3 plus, Cr3 plus. The reagent is a mixture of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. The precipitate is metal hydroxide. Group 4. Here we have Zn2 plus, Mn2 plus. The reagent is ammonium hydroxide and H2S. Again, metal sulfide precipitate is formed. Group 5. This consists of Ca2 plus and Ba2 plus. The reagent is a mixture of ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and ammonium carbonate, and the precipitate is a metal carbonate. Finally, 6th one, here you have Mg2 plus and NH4 plus. No specific reagent. These two are identified separately by special reactions. So, it is a miscellaneous group and there is no specific group reagent for this. This is the list of cations we are going to discuss one by one. Take each group separately and discuss. So, what are the cations present in group 1? Ag plus and Pb2 plus, and the reagent is HCl. The cations present in group 2 are Cu2 plus, Hg2 plus, Bi3 plus. The reagent is dilute HCl and H2S. Metal sulfide precipitate is formed. Group 3 consists of ferric, aluminum and chromium. The group reagent is ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride mixture, and metal hydroxide precipitate is formed. Group 4 consists of zinc and manganese. The reagent is ammonium hydroxide and H2S mixture, metal sulfide precipitate is formed. Group 5 consists of calcium and barium, and the reagent is a mixture of ammonium chloride, ammonium carbonate and ammonium hydroxide, metal carbonate precipitate is formed. Whereas group 6 is miscellaneous, consists of NH4 plus and Mg2 plus, and there is no specific reagent to identify group 6.